Glossier is doubling down on brick and mortar, and it's pretty clear why. In this video, we'll break down the marketing strategy behind their store openings, but first, we'll examine the impact Glossier's physical store have on their brand and customer relationships. Glossier's retail space aren't just about selling products. They're about creating experiences that forge lasting connections with customers. In an era where brand loyalty is more crucial than ever, Glossier's stores serve as vital touchpoints for nurturing their dedicated community. Furthermore, Glossier understands the importance of omnichannel retail, recognizing that the future lies in seamlessly integrating online and offline experiences. From their New York flagship stores in Soho to their pop-ups in locations across major cities like Los Angeles, Chicago, and Atlanta, Glossier's retail strategy is designed to captivate and engage customers wherever they are. And with innovative features like their proprietary point-of-sale system, Glossier is not just selling products, but also gathering valuable insights to tailor their offering to individual preferences. With a heavy emphasis on store design and visual merchandising, Glossier elevates the customer shopping experience to new heights. The meticulously curated aesthetic and immersive atmosphere of the store captivates customers from the moment they step inside. Every detail, from the layout to the lighting, is carefully crafted to invoke a sense of beauty and inspiration. This focus on design not only enhances the overall ambiance, but also influences how customers interact with the products. This, of course, is the purpose of visual merchandising, which we'll cover when reviewing Glossier's marketing strategy. To start, let's focus on the pre-launch phase. This is where they build anticipation and excitement through different marketing channels, like signage, social media, and teaser campaigns. Glossier leverages signage strategically to create buzz around their upcoming store openings. This includes physical signage outside the store location, teasing the new arrival and building curiosity amongst foot traffic passing by. The signage is often designed to reflect Glossier's aesthetic, ensuring it's visually appealing and aligned with their brand identity. Also, Glossier may use signage within their existing stores and pop-ups to announce upcoming openings, further engaging their current customer base. Social media also plays a central role in Glossier's pre-launch marketing strategy. They use platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to tease the new store opening with sneak peeks, behind-the-scenes content, and countdowns. Glossier's highly engaged social media following eagerly anticipates their updates, sharing them with their own networks and amplifying the excitement. Glossier may also collaborate with influencers and brand ambassadors to reach a wider audience and generate buzz around the upcoming opening. In addition to signage and social media, Glossier runs teaser campaigns to pique interest and curiosity about the new store. This may involve cryptic messaging or imagery shared across various channels, encouraging followers to speculate and guess location or theme of the upcoming opening. Glossier may also host exclusive events and previews for select customers or influencers, providing a sneak peek of what's to come and generate further anticipation. On launch day, Glossier transformed anticipation into celebration, turning their store openings into events that captivate customers and create lasting impressions. Here's how they make the most of this fertile ground for a great store launch day. Starting off, Glossier orchestrates a grand opening event that goes beyond simply unlocking the doors. They create an immersive experience that engages all the senses, from curated playlists to special activities or interactive installation. This transforms the store into a destination, drawing in crowds and generating excitement. Also, to reward loyal customers and incentivize new ones to visit, Glossier may offer exclusive discounts, gift with purchase, or limited edition products only available on launch day. These special offers create a sense of urgency and drives foot traffic to the store. Glossier also enhances the shopping experience on launch day by offering personalized consultants, makeup demonstrations, and skincare workshop led by beauty experts. These hands-on experiences not only educate customers about Glossier products, but also fosters a sense of community and connection. And obviously, all of this is getting social media coverage. Glossier amplifies the excitement surrounding the launch by documenting the events on social media in real time. They share behind-the-scenes moments, customer reactions, and highlights from the day, inviting followers to join the celebration virtually. This actually leads to generating FOMO amongst those who weren't able to attend the event in person. And of course, the final piece of the pie for launch day is community engagement. Glossier values its community and actively involves them in the launch day festivities. They may host meet and greets with Glossier team members or brand ambassadors, encouraging customers to share their experiences on social media using designated hashtags. This not only builds buzz, but also strengthens the bond between Glossier and its customers. In-store marketing is where Glossier truly shines. Leveraging their innovative approach to create immersive and engaging experiences for customers, here's how Glossier maximizes their in-store marketing efforts. 1. Product display. Glossier's product displays are carefully curated to showcase their range of beauty and skincare products in an inviting and accessible manner. They often feature clean, minimalist designs that reflect the brand's aesthetic, making it easy for customers to browse and explore. Glossier enhances the shopping experience with interactive elements like digital screens, product testers, and of course, their sample stations. Customers are encouraged to try out products, experiment with different shades, and engage with the brand in a hands-on way. Glossier also offers personalized recommendation in store. Glossier's knowledgeable staff members, known as Glossier editors, provide personalized recommendation and skincare consultation to customers to help them find the perfect products for their needs. This one-on-one interaction adds value to the shopping experience and fosters trust and loyalty among the customers. Their stores also lean heavily on brand storytelling. Glossier uses in-store marketing to tell their brand story and connect with customers on a deeper level. From wall decals featuring inspirational quotes to visual displays that highlight Glossier's commitment to inclusivity and diversity, every element is designed to reinforce the brand's values and identity. They use this to integrate into social media. Glossier seamlessly integrates social media into their in-store marketing efforts, encouraging customers to share their experiences online. This may include designated photo areas, branded hashtags, and interactive displays that encourages user-generated content. Glossier also often releases limited edition products or exclusive merchandise available only in-store, creating a sense of urgency and exclusivity that drives foot traffic and boosts sales. By prioritizing in-store marketing and creating immersive and memorable experiences for customers, Glossier continues to set the standard for innovating retail in the beauty industry. This brings me to the point that Glossier's visual merchandising is a masterclass in minimalism, functionality, and aesthetics. Here's a breakdown of their approach. First things first, Glossier's product displays are characterized by clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and minimalistic design. This simplicity not only creates a visual appealing environment, but also allows the focus to remain on the products themselves. This gives the store a very product-central layout. Glossier organizes its products in a way it's intuitive and easy to navigate. Items are grouped logically by category, with clear signage and labeling to guide customers through the store. This makes it effortless for shoppers to find what they're looking for and encourages exploration of the brand's offerings. Glossier's stores feature a soft and inviting color palette, dominated by pastel hues like their iconic millennial pink, mint greens, and peach. These soothing colors create a calming atmosphere that feels welcoming and approachable, encouraging customers to relax and enjoy their shopping experience. Also, Glossier's commitment to transparency is also reflected in their visual merchandising. Product packaging is often displayed without excessive packaging or embellishment, allowing customers to see the product clearly and making an informed decision about their purchases. With seasonal and limited editional displays, Glossier regularly updates its visual merchandising to reflect seasonal trends, holidays, and special promotions. This keeps the store environment fresh and exciting, encouraging repeat visits and drives sales of seasonal and limited edition products. Overall, Glossier's visual merchandising is thoughtfully designed to create an immersive and memorable experience that aligns seamlessly with the brand's ethos and aesthetics. This bleeds into their visual merchandising not just for their store locations, but also at Sephora. According to Glossier's store designer and visual merchandiser,
I'm a visual merchandiser at Glossier. My name is Julia, and I'm a retail designer here at Glossier, and today we're going to tell you about how we started the design of our Sephora display. The goal of our Sephora gondola is to immerse you into a uniquely Glossier world, featuring both the details that we love from our product designs and our immersive retail environments. The goal is really to create a playground for our products within an arm's reach that feels super recognizable and allows you to get to know the brand in a more intimate and exciting way.
We thought about your testing experience and how comfortable it would be. So we thought about legible fonts, comfortable angles for testing, and product shades on a gondola, which we call shade dots.
I'm really excited how everything came together, and I can't wait to see it live at Sephora.
Hi, I'm Anya.
Overall, it's evident why Glossier is doubling down on brick-and-mortar retail. Their strategic approach to in-store marketing, visual merchandising, and store design creates immersive and memorable experiences for customers. Whether they're visiting Glossier's own locations or encountering the brand within retailers like Sephora, by prioritizing brand cohesion, consistent product presentation, and collaboration with retail partners, Glossier ensures that their retail presence reflects their ethos and values, fostering brand loyalty and driving sales. As Glossier continues to innovate and expand its physical footprint, it serves as a powerful reminder that physical stores still play a vital role in today's digital age. Glossier demonstrates that brick-and-mortar locations can thrive in omnichannel retail landscapes. Their success highlights the importance of investing in physical retail space to foster meaningful connections with customers and drive brand loyalty. Who knows, maybe it's time for your brand to consider doubling down on brick and mortar too. That's where the marketing studio comes in. We're all about empowering you with the tools and knowledge you need to tackle marketing challenges on your own terms. With our collection of templates, workbooks, and mini courses, you'll have everything you need to develop strategic marketing strategies that not only align with your brand, but also resonates with your target audience. Plus, if you need more personalized guidance, you can book studio hours with us to chat about your unique situation. Visit our website below for more information, and remember, marketing doesn't have to be hard when you have the right resources at your fingertips. Bye!